Hello. My name is Josie, and this is a new video to enjoy a relaxing color that never goes out of style, so we begin this home tour in Megan's house. Light blue is a cool and calming color that often evokes feelings of nature and the sea. When paired with natural materials like wicker, rattan, and wood, the light blue color creates a cohesive and harmonious look that is reminiscent of the outdoors. The soft and airy tones of light blue complement the warmth and texture of these natural materials, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere in the space. Additionally, light blue is a versatile color that can easily blend with a variety of different materials and styles, making it a popular choice for decorating with natural elements. A mood board is a very useful tool for interior design because it helps to visually organize and communicate your ideas, vision, and inspiration for a project. It allows you to gather and display images, colors, textures, patterns, and other elements that you want to incorporate into your design, giving you a clear visual representation of the overall look and feel you are trying to achieve. Mood boards can also help you to experiment with different combinations and styles, and make informed decisions about the direction of your project. The shade between gray and light blue, commonly known as greige, has become a trend in decoration for several reasons. 1. Versatility. Greige is a versatile and neutral color that can easily blend with other colors, making it suitable for various decorating styles and color palettes. It can be used as a base color for walls, furniture, and accessories, allowing it to complement different design elements and create a cohesive look. 2. Timelessness. Greige is a timeless color that does not easily go out of style. It offers a classic and sophisticated appeal that can withstand changing trends, making it a popular choice for long-term decorating solutions. 3. Serenity. The combination of gray and light blue and greige creates a calming and serene atmosphere, making it a popular choice for creating a peaceful and relaxing living space. It can help create a sense of tranquility and balance in a room, making it a popular choice for bedrooms and other spaces where relaxation is key. 4. Warmth. Greige strikes a balance between cool and warm tones, making it a welcoming and inviting color choice for various spaces. It can add warmth and depth to a room without overwhelming it, creating a cozy and comfortable environment. Overall, the shade between gray and light blue is a trend in decoration because it offers versatility, timelessness, serenity, and warmth, making it a popular choice for creating stylish and inviting living spaces. Imitations of blue and white Ming Dynasty vases are considered elegant because they capture the timeless beauty and classic design of the originals. The intricate blue and white patterns, featuring traditional motifs such as dragons, flowers, and landscapes, evoke a sense of sophistication and luxury. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in these imitations also contribute to their elegance, as they showcase the skill and artistry of the artisans who create them. Overall, imitations of blue and white Ming Dynasty vases are admired for their aesthetic appeal and cultural significance, making them a symbol of refinement and style.